Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Roomba i3, i3 Plus, and E5 are some of the best value robot vacuums on the market. Which is best for you? Let's go ahead and find out now. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum against 4 different debris types and 3 different floor types. Cleaning scores are shown as percentages of the total debris cleaned by the vacuum. Despite some differences between the specs of the i3 Plus and E5, they achieved nearly identical cleaning performance scores on our test. The i3 Plus scored 99.0% and the E5 scored 99.3%. Since the only difference between the i3 and i3 Plus is the charging base, the cleaning performance will be exactly the same. On hardwood floors, both the i3 Plus and E5 gave excellent results, with a 99% debris removal rate for the i3 Plus and a 100% removal rate for the E5. Low carpet tests had similar results with a 99% score for both the i3 Plus and E5. High carpet results were the same, with 99% scores for both vacuums. Suction power on the i3 Plus is listed to be higher than the E5, however, this did not result in a higher debris removal score on our cleaning tests. The i3, i3 Plus, and E5 have several notable differences in terms of design. They are a similar shape and body style, although the colors and patterns are different. They have the same set of 3 buttons on top of the vacuum. The underside of the vacuums is similar. They both have dual rubberized brush rolls and side spinning brush, as well as wheels and sensors. The i3 Plus has a debris port to connect to the self-empty dustbin. The charging dock is a major difference between these models. The clean base self-emptying dock comes with the i3 Plus. It can hold up to 30 loads of debris. This dock has an onboard dustbin and suction that pulls debris directly from the vacuum after each cleaning cycle and deposits it into the debris bag on the dock. The i3 and E5 come with a standard charging dock. This dock charges the Roomba, and it also serves as a navigational beacon to help Roomba find its way back home when the cleaning cycle is done. The i3, i3 Plus, and E5 are all the same size and weight. They are 13.3 inches in diameter, 3.6 inches tall, and they all weigh 7.2 pounds. The clean base is significantly larger than the standard charging dock. It's 19 inches tall, 15.1 inches deep, and 12.2 inches wide. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying any of these models. As for parts and accessories, there are only 2 differences in items included with the i3, i3 Plus, and E5. As mentioned, the charging bases are different. In addition, the E5 sometimes includes a virtual wall barrier. The inclusion of this item varies by the specific SKU. The virtual wall is used to block off areas you don't want the Roomba to enter. Using any of these robot vacuums is convenient and simple. The i3, i3 Plus, and E5 can all connect to the iRobot Home app. Through the app, users can start or stop a cleaning cycle, schedule cleanings, and view battery level and other maintenance updates. The i3 and i3 Plus have several additional features through the app that are not included on the E5. First, the i3 and i3 Plus have digital mapping capabilities. The app can show a detailed view of the area that the vacuum has cleaned. However, it does not allow for room labels or zone cleaning. Second, the i3 and i3 Plus use iRobot Genius to suggest cleaning recommendations. Another difference in usability is the runtime. The i3 and i3 Plus have a runtime of 75 minutes plus recharge and resume. The i3 and i3 Plus can clean until the battery is low, return to the base to charge, and then go back to where it left off to finish the cleaning job. The E5 has a runtime of 90 minutes, but it does not have recharge and resume. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. Maintenance for the i3, i3 Plus, and E5 involves cleaning and replacing the filter and removing tangles from the brush roll. As for dustbins, the i3 and E5 will need to have the dustbin emptied after each cleaning. For the i3 Plus, the clean base disposal bag will need to be emptied or replaced after 30 loads. One big difference between these models is the navigation. The i3 and i3 Plus use digital mapping and smarter, systematic navigation, while the E5 relies on a more basic method that involves bumping into obstacles and changing direction. There is no digital mapping on the E5. The i3 and i3 Plus are able to plot and plan their cleaning routes better than the E5. For the i3 and i3 Plus, this means straight line cleaning paths and neat rows, while the E5 has a more random, adaptive cleaning pattern. So, which is the best choice for you? The Roomba i3, i3 Plus, or E5? Roomba E5 comes in at the lowest price. It lacks some convenience features like digital mapping, recharge and resume, and more advanced navigation, but it can connect to the app, and it had excellent cleaning performance on our test, removing 99.3% of all debris. Roomba i3 does have digital mapping and recharge and resume, plus better navigation, and it's typically only slightly more expensive than the E5. It lacks the clean base self-emptying feature, but this allows it to have a lower price than the i3 Plus. Roomba i3 Plus is the most expensive of the 3 vacuums covered in this video, but it adds a ton of convenience with a self-empty dustbin, eliminating the need to empty the dustbin every time. It scored 99% on our cleaning test, making it a truly excellent robot vacuum. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Roomba at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying any of the Roomba we featured today. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.